Anita. Hi friends. Now we are going to play some games with the spinner. These are my friends. I am going to play them. Rocky will be there. Vicky will be there. This is my fidget spinner. Now we are going to play. That's all. This is a game. Stop. This is fidget spinner. Now we want to keep here. We should roll it. We should throw. Is it game?
Okay.
This is the second game. This is the second game. My friend is going to participate in this. Come. This is my friend. Now we are going to battle. Hi. Hi. Okay, start. Yeah, I am the winner.
Okay.
Now this is second round. See this. It is time. Now this is third round. Who will win in this? They are winner. Yeah, I am the winner, so I won. Now another two members are going to battle. Stop.
This is Vicky అని చెప్పమన్నా కదా.
I am winner.
నేర్పాలా?
Yeah, I won 2 rounds. This is third round. Play. Yes, I won. This is the final round between me and Vicky. Now let's start.
Start.
Yeah, I won first round. Yeah, I won second round. Yeah, I won the cup. Stop. This is the third game playing with fidget spinners. See this game. No, it is net. Yeah, I got the point. He misses this. No. Stop. Last round I won. This is the next round. I and Vicky. Let's start. Uchi the poo. Yes. I got point. I got point. Stop. Last round I got point. Now this is the next round. Come.
Stop. Hey, wait.
గడే ఇట్లా అంటే జస్ట్ సీరియల్ సౌండ్ వినపడతాను. This is the next one. We will see. Yeah, I got point. This is the third round and final round. Who will win in this? They will go. It's time. Yeah, I won the match. Now this is the next match. Come. No. Ready? Start. This is a new round. Time. I also lose this. Yeah, I got the point. Yeah, I got point.
Stop.
Yeah, again I got point. So I won. Come, the third contestant. This is the another guy participating in this. Start. Time. Stop. Start. No, it's snake again. Yeah, I got the point. Yeah, I got the point.
Start.
This is the third round. If I will win, I will win. Yeah, I won.
Oh.
Share your thought. If you like this video, please share, comment, like, subscribe.